In this video, you'll learn how to delete a wallet from Trust Wallet. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure that your wallet is removed securely. Start by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering the search term Trust Wallet extension. This will help you locate the official Trust Wallet extension for your browser. Once you find the correct link, click on it to open the Trust Wallet interface. After the Trust Wallet extension is open, locate and click on the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon, which can be found in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking this will take you to the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Wallets. Once you find it, click on this option to access the wallet management features. This section allows you to view and modify your existing wallets. Next, you will see a list of your wallets. Find the wallet you wish to delete and click on the option labeled mnemonic. This will display the mnemonic phrase associated with your selected wallet. Following this, click on the option that says seed phrase. This action is important as it verifies that you are indeed selecting the correct wallet for deletion. Ensure that you have noted down any necessary information before proceeding. Now, click on the option labeled Remove Wallet. This will initiate the deletion process for the wallet you have selected. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. It is crucial to read this prompt carefully. Once you confirm the deletion, the wallet will be removed from your Trust Wallet interface, depending on the size of the wallet and any transactions associated with it. This process may take a few moments. Ensure that you have sufficient time and a stable internet connection during this operation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.